Namaste guys, in this video I'm going to make this simple bulb glowing animation in Blender. So let's start. So press A, X and delete all these things. Click on add, mesh and click on UV sphere. You can choose other thing as well if you requirement. So first thing that I will do, I will create the model of my bulb. After that I will do the modeling texturing part. So select this tab. So I need to remove some things. So how can I approach it? Click on this eye selection mode. Click on these two. Select these. Press X and delete edges. Press Ctrl Z. Press X and delete faces. Press 2. Uh, Select these. Press E. Z and move it downwards. Press E. Enter. Press S to scale it down. Now what I will do, press tab to exit the edit mode. Press Ctrl A, apply scale. Press tab, select these edges by pressing Alt Shift. Press Ctrl B to make a loop cut here. Similarly, by pressing Alt Shift, select this loop. Press Alt Ctrl B and add a loop cut here as well. So it be valid. Now I make a shape something like my bulb, but it doesn't have any thickness. So go here, modifiers, click on solidify. Increase the thickness as per your requirement. Make sure to click on even thickness. I need something, screw-like thing at the bottom. So what I can do, instead of doing hard work, click on add mesh and I will look for extras. Wait a minute. No. There's something called bolt and nut. It's not showing here, so click on edit, preferences, add-ons, bolts. You see bolt factor is there, so it will be in add mesh. Let's see, add mesh. Let's look for the bolt. Okay, here's the bolt one. So I need this one. So go here and select this. Press tab. Select the top face. Press X. Delete vertices. Press 2. Select these top edges. Press SZ 0. By pressing Alt Shift, select this and this one and GZ. Press Ctrl Z. Select this one as well. Press G Z. G Z. Move it downwards. Scale it down. Scale it a little bit up. G Z. I think this much is fine. So select this. Press tab. So select this. Box selection. Press X. Delete vertices. Press 2. Alt Shift. Okay. Click on divide icon on your numpad. Press Ctrl Z. Alt Shift. Press E Z S Z 0. Okay. And click on divide icon again to see all the things. Select this. Right click. Shade auto smooth. Similarly, right click. Shade auto smooth. G X. Make it a little bit here. Now I need to add a bulb material. So what I can do, select this. Go here. New. Go downwards. Click on material effects and click on sample material. Just in case if it is not showing in your case, you need to go to the edit preferences and select for the material library. Okay, and click on basic glass, select this, and click on apply to selected. So this will apply to it. So if I go here, you can see, yep, it's apply there. Select this, make it black like my future, and make it metallic. Now in a bulb there is something that is glowing like thing, so there is nothing here. So what I can do is click on add, and here go to the curves. Okay, curve, this is basically curve. Go to here, click on Archimedean. So what I will do, I will increase the height. Let's say I want 3 number of turns. Let's decrease the radius of it because I don't want that big. Press 1. Let's decrease its height. Its height is quite big. Decrease its radius. Increase the number of turns. Radius. Little bit height. Press R. Y. 90. G. Z. Move it here. Click on divide icon so that I can see the isolate view. So what I will do, uh, I will select this. Press X. Delete vertices. Repeat the step here. X. Delete vertices. Select these two edges, press E, Z, tab, click on divide icon, press G, Z, move downwards, and I will go here, round, increase this value. I think this much is fine, but you can increase or decrease as per your requirement. Now I need something to make it, glowing. So click on new. Instead of principal BSDF, I will choose emission because it's emission material and type 3. So this is look something like this. Quite boring, right? So go here, make it downwards. Okay, this looks more bad. So what I have to do is uh, click on here, and I will add a environmental texture. Click open, downloads, HD, HDR. For better results, I recommend choose cycles. Cycle is the best one for this kind of thing. Click on ambient occlusion and bloom because when there is a shining thing, so you need a something called bloom. Click on film, transparent. For example, if I go to here and click on, let's wait a minute here, cycles, and let's reduce the cycle to 20 because it will take a lot of time and it will slow down my PC, and make it GPU. Let's see. So you can see shyness something. Okay, it's on 20 samples, but if you want a better results, you can increase it as per your requirement and increase this value. For example, a say 30, or here EV. You can see how does it look like. So it's up to you how big or better you want. Now suppose if you want to make it animation, what you can do is you can add a driver here. For example, click on add, and I will add a empty like my life, and press F2, click on driver. So I will select the spiral and give it a name. What is it called? Let's say glow because I forgot its name. So glow, right click, add drivers. So I will go here and drivers, material, shader. Default value, set this default value, click on drivers, So where I'm taking input from? I'm taking input from what? Uh, where is the empty? Okay, empty name is driver, so accept empty. So I want to control it from the X location. So X, so multiply by 10. Okay, why multiply by 10? So what will happen if I move this empty to 3? It will show me the value of basically 30. Okay, x value will be what when I will travel this and multiply by 10. If I don't multiply by 10, it will show me just 3 units. For example, if I select this, press G, X and 3 now. But if I go here glow, you can see that what will the value 30. Similarly, if I press driver G X, let's make it move it here. You can see that the glow value is changed 18.05. So in that way, you can control your animation as per your requirement. So I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you have any kind of doubt and queries, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.